let's take a look at Meta Platforms, or formerly Facebook. This stock is making a all-time high, and ever since the gap up, it has just been trading sideways, although in a more bullish manner. So first of all, we need to look at this gap area. Gap up areas are usually a support area, and this will be an area for you to watch out. If it stays above this support area, all the consolidation will be good, and a breakout above the consolidation will send it higher. And the other thing that is very good with the stock is that it's above the rising 50 MA. 50 MA can be a very nice support area, just like here it has been able to find support at the 50 MA. And if the 50 MA is rising, you should be bullish mid-term. And if the 200 MA is rising, you should be bullish long-term. And recently, I think Meta is breaking out of this consolidation. So if it continues to move up, this area will become a very nice support area for you to reference. We just want to see it continue to move up, and then this top will be support area, and then it will slowly chop higher. We might want to look at the seasonality of Meta. You can go to stockcharts.com and key in and have a look at Meta seasonality. Well, May historically for the past 4 years, 2020 to 2023, gone up 60% of the time, with an average gain of 5.3%. And in April, for the past 4 years, it has gone up 80% of the time, with an average gain of 8.6%. So if we take the history and we project it to this year, there is a possibility that it might go past 560 and even more. So do continue to be bullish buyers because of the technicals that are good, and also because of the seasonality where April is good. If you look at May, it's also good. 75% of the time it closed higher with an average gain of 4.5%. Things are only not so good in September, where it goes up only 25% of the time with a net loss of 9.1%. So there is a lot of bullish room when it comes to seasonality in the next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 5 months period of time. So those who want to buy Meta for investing, this is a very good time, I believe. But watch this support area and also this gap support area. So as long as the stocks is around this area, it's a good area to invest. For traders, you want to look for a breakout or continuation pattern, or dip maybe to the 50 MA. But the rising 200 MA does tell us that we should continue to be bullish in this stock long term. You can see that the stock has the 200 MA is declining all the way here, where here you flatten out and move up. So from that area here, the stock's 200 MA was telling us, hey, invest in me. And from about when it started to flatten, 180 plus to 518 is almost 300% return, if you will. 170, yeah, slightly less than 300%, maybe 260%. Return. And the rising 200 MA, well, it is really very powerful, and this tells us to continue to be bullish on the stock in the long term. Now if you look at the weekly chart, there is also some great areas of support here, this previous high support here, and also this area of strong support here, consolidation. So we have first support, second support, third support, fourth support. With so much support areas, the investors can be rest assured that even if it drops, the stock might rise again, and especially drop to this area is a very, very viable stock at a very cheap price. And you can see that almost a V-shaped recovery. You can see it much more clearly in the monthly chart, while all the way drop and V-shaped recovery. This is like a monthly bullish flag, and I think it has met the measured move target of the bullish flag or the move. Yep, it has met, and right now it's just trading sideways in the daily chart. This is the monthly chart. And one thing is that social media continues to dominate, and if you believe the story, you want to continue to invest in the stock. There is no reason why the stock cannot double or triple. You can see even from here it almost double, right? If you bought it about here 80 something, well, it's amazing, gone up by about 600%. So as long as people are still using social media, and there are numbers of people who have not used Facebook yet, there is still a big amount, and the number of people that are using Facebook are growing every day, then you should believe in the story. That is the story, but we look at the technicals, and technicals are showing us that things are quite good for this stock at the moment. So I do hope that this analysis has been helpful to you. All the best, and see you in the next one.